Before we get into the action, Brock, win number 41 on the year, how'd it feel?
Pretty good. Obviously, I'm not really worried about wins for the season. I'm just worried about 1, 2, 3. One's done. Obviously, the semis are going to be tonight. That'll be match 2. And then hopefully I can come off of that and put myself into the finals.
Preseason, you had 3 goals. Number 1 is not to get taken down. You didn't in that match. You kind of dominated the whole thing. 11-0 was the final score. What'd you see there? And a couple near falls as well.
His position was amazing. He was a little bit shorter than me. He was really strong, and his position was really good. So it took a lot of me firing off attacks to tire him out, which led to the ultimate goal of, obviously you saw a score 11-0, but for like a minute and 30 seconds it was 0-0, but then I broke him, and then obviously then I started having fun and putting up points.
I know how well you condition. A lot of people know how well you condition. So is that kind of the goal in most of these matches now that we get down to kind of the final nail per se, where it's just a matter of tiring people out, knowing that you're well conditioned?
Yeah, so obviously my conditioning is really good. My nutrition is really good. I feel like 99% of the opponents are going to gas before me. So with that being in mind, I just push the pace first period. They'll keep up with me. But over time, throughout the match, I'm just tiring them out, and then I'm putting up points.
You ready to go?
Yeah.